All right, here we go. So you can hear this ticking noise up in the front. You can kind of hear the knocking sound, but you can definitely hear the knocking sound in the back. I'm just gonna go on the front and then I'll drop down to the back. And it sounds like lifters or some like valves or something. And here we go into the bottom. Oh shit. All right, so that's it. I hope you got it on the video. It does fine under load. It doesn't miss. There's no codes, nothing like that. Like I said, I've been trying to figure this out for a while, so if you got anything to add, I'd appreciate it, man.